we're gonna have another wake effect snowstorm. This time, it's gonna slam St. Joseph County. The last one hit wake report. This one, that's like a whole county got school delays. Miles got 7.7 inches of snow the last time. They say we're supposed to get 6 to 12. Again, we already have a wake effect snow warning for Berrien County. Tomorrow morning when I get up before school, these counties right here, Wake, St. Joseph, and St. Joseph, Michigan, gonna get under a warning. And it's gonna be snowing too, but it won't not be deep. Wake County. So Berrien is gonna get 100% chance of heavy snow. 100%. Wake County, they're gonna get like a 90, 100, and 70%. St. Joseph County, 80, 80, and 90. So I'll say, okay, see, well right here, I think it's gonna get, I think right here is gonna get slammed. No matter what, 90% can beat 80%. So it's gonna be cold. We're gonna wake November 20th. This is November 20th. 19th and 20th. It is midnight. And it's gonna be in the lower 20s. Like Elcott's or any county like that, it won't not get snow. So here we go, set somewhere. So not actually a big deal actually. What a bug. 36 degrees. Rain is about 1/10. That's into snow. Nothing's going on. No lightning. Just clouds. Start away. Our temperatures in the 20s and 30s. Candles in the pink. And we got some gusty winds in the Chicago area at that time too. 30 miles an hour tomorrow for our area. We're under a winter storm watch. It says wake effect snow watch remains till 7 a.m. on Thursday until Friday even. So we're gonna be under a watch and do it. So about when I get up in school, it's gonna happen. It's gonna be another snowstorm. Now it's slightly school delays some areas. It's windy outside too right now. The gusts is now up to 24 miles an hour. 24 right now. So we're in the gusts right now. Weather news, nothing's going on. Outdoor health is pretty much low. And that's about it. So tomorrow during school it's gonna be snowing 6 to 12 inches. Chances of snow 1 to 4, 1 to 6, and 1 to 8. So it's gonna be a bad one. We might get a 2-hour delay in school on Friday. Alright, good night everybody. I'll see you afternoon tomorrow. Oh, here comes the snow. We got snow. Oh, we just got snow. Oh my god, that's big flakes. Okay. The computer said we're supposed to get like 5 or more inches of snow in South Bend. And we're under a wake effect snow warning for this area. Uh-oh. Okay. Wake effect snow warning had issued. We just got issued a wake effect snow warning. And it's there on TV too. Look. Wonder wake if it's snow right now. It's snowing right now, look at that. That's unbelievable. Well, no warning right now until Friday at 1 o'clock. Heavy snow. There's not a chance right there. 1 inch possible. That's something. This afternoon it's gonna be an inch. Tonight it's gonna be like a 5 inch. And it's 32. We're in the freezing point. And look outside. Look outside. Look outside. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Snowing. It's already up to, look at that. This is, look at this. Look at this. Hey. Dad.
We'll be back.
Oh.
I got all the snow blowing around.
I know.
Are you videotaping that?
I keep moving this up.
Yeah, that works.
Look at this.
When you're done for up there, nobody...
Oh my God.
No, wait, that's...
I just came home from school in here. Look at my dog.
Lucy was outside.
Oh my God.
Hold on. Look at the table. Look how much snow we're getting.
Cable's all white.
I hate to say it out, but it snows like crazy.
Cable's all white. It's good.
Oh, it snows like that.
Hey, the snowflake is gonna be about.
They'll pull the house on.
I know.
Snow effect.
This thick. That's how big a snowflake will be.
Effect.
Fake.
Effect.
Effect.
There you go.
It's a-
Snow effect. Like the effect of something.
Look at this, already white down here. They're locked.
If you have a home, just stay warm. You know shit.
This is.
Pissed off because she didn't have to work today. She got all that stuff being weird. Being crabby.
Let's go to the front door.
I knew she wasn't at work. We went to
Darling, I wouldn't. Every hour I work is an hour away from you.
We'll try working for an hour anyway. I'll be back at 2. We can leave for the...
Damn, snowing everywhere.
Ben, I can understand.
Yo, Jim, it's snowing out.
Yeah, what's the radar look like?
One log green. Log green, look at that. Well, we got like a 1/4 inch of snow already. It was about 3:10. It was supposed to be nice. Second later, all snow came down. It's all white now. Unbelievable. We'll go outside later. Tomorrow, on Friday, we're going outside. So, prepare for tonight. Goodbye. Check out for more updates.